In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion for School using a free student Notion template. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type in Notion to find the official site. Once there, you'll notice an option labeled Get Notion Free. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the platform without any of the premium perks, which is all you need for educational purposes. As you proceed, you'll be given the option to continue with Google to sign up. This is a straightforward method as it connects directly through your Google credentials, making the process both secure and quick. After successfully signing into Notion, let's dive into setting up your student workspace. Click on the Marketplace option you'll see within the interface. The Marketplace is where you can browse various templates, and it's incredibly helpful because it offers a predefined structure that can save you loads of time. From there, look out for the school category and select it. You'll find an array of templates suited for different educational needs. Choose the one that fits your preference by clicking on the free student dashboard. This is a step worth taking a moment to consider, as different templates offer varied organizational tools. When you've settled on a template, add it to your workspace by clicking Add. Adding it to your workspace makes it readily accessible for all of your school projects and assignments. Once it's in your workspace, you have the freedom to personalize it. Start by changing the cover image to something that inspires you. You can also select an emoji that brings a smile to your face every time you open it. Perhaps you'd like to rename the dashboard to reflect your style. You can do so easily. Now, delve into creating a to-do list. Navigate to the appropriate section and start typing your tasks. It's super satisfying to tick off completed tasks, trust me. Next, explore the navigation pane where you'll click School. Here, you'll find bookmarks for assignments or exam schedules. You can tailor them by naming each course, ensuring everything is labeled just right for optimum clarity. These are invaluable tools for planning your study sessions. Speaking of which, don't forget to visit the Pomodoro Timer feature under the Courses section. It's a great way to maintain focus and productivity by breaking your study time into manageable intervals. You'll also want to take advantage of sections like My Expenses to keep track of your budgets. Finally, check out the quick links to course contents and add essential details like your instructor's name and contact info. Whether it's the course syllabus or learning objectives, input what is necessary for you to thrive. That wraps up our guide to setting Notion up for school. Personalization is key, so take a moment to make this workspace yours. Now you're equipped to manage your school life efficiently.